moga prijatelja koji se zove Nikolaj Davidenko, 11 sati 30 minuta.
Da možeš pitati neko pitanje Davidenka, šta bi ga pitao?
Koliko ima slobodnog vremena kad treniraš profesionalno tenis? Da.
My name is Masha.
Masha, do you like tennis?
Yes.
How do you like it in Umag?
Thank you. It's second time. Very pleasant place, and we come back next year also.
The winner of Umag 2010, Mr. Nikolaj Davidenko. Okay, we got a few short questions for you. When did you start playing tennis? When?
Professional at 11, and beginning catch racket maybe at 5, 6.
What do you need to become a good player?
Maybe you need luck.
All right.
Я люблю играть в теннис.
I like tennis. On a Russian. Thank you very much.
My hobby is tennis.
Yes.
My job is tennis. My life is tennis.
The winner is Mr. Nikolaj Davidenko.
How do you spend your free time in Umag?
Here now still like practicing twice a day because preparation for tournament and spend time with my friends, my wife, and not yet. I was not on the swim pool or in the beach. I have no time yet, but maybe later.